In order to import SIM contacts on Redmi Note 15 Pro or 15 Pro Plus, first of all, we need to go to the app drawer and then look for the Contacts app. And let's open it. Once we go to Contacts, tap on Organize in the bottom right corner. Next, in here, we're going to scroll down a little bit and choose Manage SIM. If needed, select the SIM card from which you want to import your contacts. And then over here, we need to choose where we want to save our contacts. So you can choose, for example, your Google account or your Xiaomi account. You can also tap on more options in order to, for example, find the device storage only. So let's say I'm going to choose the device and Google account. Now we have the list of all SIM card contacts, and you can tap on this checkbox on the right side in order to decide which contacts you want to import. And once you are ready, of course, you want to use this button in here in the upper right corner. And that is pretty much it. Subscribe to my channel.